The story begins in sorrow. The uterus, a beautiful hall decorated with a thick, rich tapestry, is disappointed. The honored guest, a new life, has not arrived. The main messengers, estrogen and progesterone, have fallen silent. Without their powerful signals, the uterus has no choice but to let go. The magnificent tapestry begins to peel away, a process of release and letting go that we call menstruation. As it sheds, the uterus prepares for a new beginning. This phase lasts for about 5 days. As the uterus releases its old tapestry, the ruler of the kingdom, the brain, sends a new messenger to the ovaries. Its name is follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH. This messenger's purpose is to wake up the ovaries, and they begin to nurture a dozen tiny, pearl-like treasures called follicles. Each follicle holds a single, precious egg. While many grow, one will become the strongest, the chosen one. This chosen follicle begins to produce its own messenger, estrogen, in ever-increasing amounts. The uterus, receiving this new, optimistic message, starts to rebuild its tapestry, making it thicker and richer than before, with new blood vessels and nutrients. It is a time of great rebuilding and rising hope. The climax of the story arrives. The strong estrogen messenger sends a powerful signal back to the brain, shouting, "The time is right." In response, the brain releases a massive, rapid-fire message called the luteinizing hormone, LH surge. This powerful surge causes the chosen follicle to swell and burst, releasing its beautiful, mature egg. The egg is now free and begins a long journey down a slender corridor, the fallopian tube, to the uterus. The egg is only available for a day, making this the most crucial and hopeful moment in the entire cycle. The shell of the ruptured follicle doesn't die. Instead, it transforms into a new, temporary structure called the corpus luteum, which means golden body. This golden body immediately begins to send out the most important message of all for this part of the story: progesterone. Progesterone's job is to keep the uterus's new tapestry strong and stable, a perfect, soft, and nutrient-rich cradle ready for a new life. The uterus and the golden body now enter a period of quiet, hopeful waiting. But there are 2 ways this part of the story can end. A new beginning. If the egg meets its partner and a new life is created, the corpus luteum receives a message to keep producing progesterone. The tapestry stays intact, and the waiting ends in joy. If no new life arrives, the golden body gets tired and begins to wither away. The progesterone messages stop. The uterus gets the signal that its guest isn't coming, and the beautiful tapestry must be let go. The cycle begins again, a story of hope and renewal, repeated month after month. This incredible story of hope and renewal repeats itself every single month. It's a testament to the power and intelligence of your body. If you're amazed by this journey, show your body some love and hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel and ring the bell because we're just getting started. We have so many more stories to tell about the incredible universe within you. Until next time, stay curious.